Can you share some of the different types of beings that you interacted with while you were on board?
Okay, well, I've mentioned the greys. People have an image in their mind when you mention the word greys of, the large white head, the large black eyes, the small spindly body, and that is generally the case. But what people don't realise is that also on their skin, their texture of their skin and their eyes, the shapes of their head, etc., there are a huge variety of differences. So we do have smudging and various other colours on the skin, not just a greyish white colour. And we do have differences in shape of the head. Different species have intermixed, so we get new shapes of the head. We get different coloured eyes. They're not all just black. Some people think that the black is an eye covering, but you can also see filaments of colour moving within that eye on occasions. Some of them have very china blue eyes, very round eyes, large round eyes with large blue irises. So there's a whole variety of greys just alone. But then experiencers and abductees talk about the mantis beings, which resemble the praying mantis or a cricket. Some people also talk about an ant-like entity, and of course then there's human-like entities who are very tall and slim, and who look very much like us. And I have interacted with them on a number of occasions. As to whether they are from our future, they are us from the future, I don't know. There's a whole multitude of possibilities that we have yet to explore and discover. But they range generally in humanoid form. So they have a torso, arms, legs, they're symmetrical, they have a head the same as us. But the means of communication, of course, is telepathic through consciousness, although some people have heard sounds and vocal emissions, as I have.
And there are different ET beings who are different kinds, but they work together.
Yes, I have never seen a reptilian being. A lot of people have had experience with them. I have not. But certainly on craft over the years, I have seen a number of species working together for a purpose. And this is part of what I describe in my book as these complex, multi-layered programs that they're running to assist us, to help ourselves. So there's a number of species involved in this, not just the greys, but the greys seem to be the front the front group that we interact with the most. That is what their job is. But behind the scenes, there are mantis and many other mixed species, including these human-like people who are doing various jobs and various tasks as part of the program. So their particular skills are being utilised in appropriate ways. And some of them do not necessarily need to interact with us because their skills don't require that, or the job that they're doing doesn't require it.